Hello, it's Parag Patel here, tax attorney, here to talk about IRS form CP15. Many of our clients have recently received this form, and I wanted to quickly go through it because I think it's important for people who receive this form to fully understand their rights. So this form indicates a notice of penalty charge. The IRS says you've been charged a penalty under section 6039F. For failure to file a Form 3520 related to receiving foreign gifts. This is page 1 of the form. I wanted to quickly show it to you. In this case, the penalty assessed was $39,892. Page 2 of the form indicates some very important appeal rights. First, it explains the penalty is 5% of the amount of the foreign gift, which is incredibly high and very unfair, not to exceed 25%. Many of our clients have received this form and the penalties have been extremely high and unfair. You don't want to appeal, you just pay. This penalty amount will go into collection and eventually the IRS will be able to collect. If you do wish to appeal the penalty, then the IRS instructs you on this form on page 2 of the notice that you should send a written request for an appeal within 30 days of the date of the notice. The request should include any explanation as to the facts and circumstances that support a position for reasonable cause so as to not assert the penalty. So this refers to the tax law that gives a reasonable cause abatement of the penalty in case of demonstration of reasonable cause. That definition of the term reasonable cause is not defined explicitly in the tax code. It's based on facts and circumstances of the taxpayer. I would strongly recommend for people that receive this notice that have substantial penalties to get competent legal advice so as to provide and draft a compelling, persuasive argument based upon the laws, the courts on why reasonable cause exists in the situation in order to abate the penalty. At this level, we've had a lot of success in getting the penalty abated, but it's very important that the very first step at this level be a very well drafted, compelling appeals request to demonstrate on a legal basis why reasonable cause exists for penalty abatement. So I just wanted to quickly share this with our viewers here and make sure you understand that this form is being received by thousands of people on a weekly basis, and make sure to get proper and competent advice in order to fight against these penalties. Thanks, keep in touch, and we're here to help.